Welcome to lesson 12 on exponents and surds. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this lesson, we are with 3 examples talking about rationalizing denominators. So when we convert a fraction that has a surd in the denominator to the one that has a rational denominator, we are rationalizing. Let's look at example 1. We need to rationalize the denominator. Now to do that, we're going to multiply the numerator by root x and the denominator by root x. In other words, we're going to multiply this expression 2x minus 3 over root x. We're going to multiply that by root x divided by root x. Now you know root x divided by root x is simply going to give us a 1, so we haven't changed the expression. Okay, now let's multiply it. We have 2x by root x. We have 2x root x minus 3 times root x. We have minus 3 root x, and all that is being divided by root x multiplied by root x. All right, but you know we can factorize this numerator. We have a common factor there, which is root x. So take root x out. So we have root x 2x minus 3. And on the denominator, you know we multiply root x by root x. We're just going to get x. Okay, then we have managed to rationalize the denominator. This is the denominator. It is now rationalized. Example 2, we are again rationalizing the denominator. Now, for us to rationalize this denominator, we multiply the denominator in the numerator so that we get a difference of 2 squares in the denominator. So we are going to say a minus 16 divided by 4 plus root a. And that's going to be multiplied by 4 minus root a divided by 4 minus root a. In this way, we have a difference of 2 squares on the denominator. Right, now let's multiply those. We are going to have a minus 16 multiplied by 4 minus root a. And that is being divided by, you know, we have a difference of 2 squares now on the denominator. We actually have 4 plus root a multiplied by 4 minus root a. But you know, from the difference of 2 squares, we say a minus b multiplied by a plus b. This is going to give us a squared minus b squared. That's the difference of 2 squares. So we are going to apply that on the denominator. So we can just write the numerator as it is. We're going to have a minus 16, that's multiplying 4 minus root a. And on the denominator, we are going to use this formula for the difference of 2 squares. We are going to square this 4 to get 16. And we say minus, we square a. So if we square root a, you have a. So we have 16 minus a on the denominator, right? Now we just need to change this so that it becomes similar to that. But to do that, we just put a negative sign. I'll just do it. We have a minus 16, 4 minus root a. Then we take a negative out there so that we have a minus 16. I haven't changed anything because I still have minus a on that, and I still have a positive 16 on that. But you realize that this is going to cancel off and we remain with a negative sign. So we're going to have minus 4 minus root a. And if you take out the negative sign, you multiply it throughout, you are going to have root a minus 4. Then we are done with that. Again, on example 3, we need to rationalize the denominator. All right, now let's start by rewriting this expression. We're going to have x, that's multiplying root x divided by root y. and this is to the power minus 1. Minus 1. That's a minus 1 there. All right. And you know we have this law of exponents that says a over b to the power minus 1 is equivalent to b over a. So we are going to use that law on this part. All right. Because we've got a minus 1 on that. So we're going to say this is equal to x root y divided by root x. I just flipped it. All right. Now we are going to rationalize the denominator. Our denominator in this case is root x. I might just need to write it down nicely. X root y divided by root x. Now, like what we did in example 1, we just need to multiply the numerator by root x, the denominator by root x, like that. Then we are going to have x root x, and that's multiplying root y, like that. And then on the denominator, root x by root x is simply going to give us x. So that's being divided by x. And then this x is going to cancel off. And then we remain with root x multiplied by root y. But you know from the laws of surds, we say the nth root of a multiplied by the nth root of b is equal to the nth root of ab. So we're just going to use this law on that part. So we are going to get root x y. We've come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.